Hey, Nikia Flowers here. This is my first unboxing. This should be interesting. I got this little baby from Sweet Leaf Succulents, and let's see what it's giving. My first plant unboxing. I'm hyped. Alright, please read before removal. I like when they have the little informative because not everybody knows what to do with a boxed shipped plant. This is a lot of directions though, so I'm going to skim it real quick. Carefully unwrap and remove the plastic lid on top. Carefully replace any soil that has fallen out. Bottom water with only distilled water. Okay. Reverse osmosis water or clean collected rain. No tap water. Interesting. Okay. So the box had all this little fluffy crap in it, and this is the little baby. I don't have any tap water or rainwater or reverse osmosis water right now, so I'm gonna have to collect some to water this baby. Oh, he's in there looking kind of moist though, so we got a little plastic wrap around it. All right, as you can maybe start to guess, this is indeed, oh, he's looking nice and wet. I think he can wait a little bit. And I got the little cup. They did this duty up. I like that. Get my scissors. It says, after cutting out of the bag, place the Venus flytrap in a bog garden or shallow dish in bottom water with the appropriate water, that rainwater. Some people prefer not to keep Some people prefer not to keep Venus flytraps in a dish and just water daily with appropriate water. Well, we use the dish and I've never had any problems. However, we only allow the water to come a centimeter. Yeah, this thing's wet. I don't think he'll need any water for a couple days, hopefully, because I'll have to figure it out. Venus flytraps enjoy 12 to 15 hours of full, bright, blasting sun and will not survive long inside. Oh, shit. Yikes. Even in a windowsill, the sunlight is diffused and weakened. Full sun. Hardy in zones 7 through 10. I'm in zone 6, by the way, so close to 7. It's a zone close to 7. Let me keep reading. And can survive protection year in zones 5 and 6. Okay. Survive with protection year round. Let me gently, I'm too busy trying to talk. Let me do this a little bit more gentler, like. Ooh, I'm hyped. Venus, okay. Oh, wait, there's a back, honey. Don't, all right? Read, it's an essay, okay, about this plant. But anyways, this is the little baby. Sweet Leaf Succulents, like I said. They have a website, but I got this on Etsy. So their Etsy page, same thing. Oh my gosh, I'm dying, bro. Like, look at this. Stay focused. They're so cute. I seen something that said, do not trigger the, like, even though I want to do it so bad. I want to do this so bad, like, just trigger it to watch it close. But it said, I'm gonna use my self-control. It said, don't do that because it uses up a lot of energy to open and close. And you don't want it to just be wasting energy. You know what I'm saying? But, oh my God. Look at this, man. He's so cute. Look at the little babies. I'm dying. Yeah, so that little comment about the sun, I don't know about that. It's starting to get cold here. This might not have been a good time to buy this because mine will 100% be in a windowsill, sweetheart. I mean, I can put it outside for the rest of the fall season. But, yeah. Oh my God, this is so cute. Yeah, so check out Sweet Leaf Succulents. They got this all nice and wet and bagged up for me all right. I like it. I'm hyped. Of course, I'm gonna have more pictures on the page. Oh my god, so cute. Thanks for watching. I just want to get a more like close-up video though, because what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, they're so cute. There's like a million of these little baby things on there. And I was reading the, well, you know, informative doodad, and it was saying each little trap only opens and closes a certain amount of, like, a few times, and then it dies. So what the hell? There's something in there. There's something in that one. Focus. There's something inside there. He's munching. I'm dying, bro. This one's closed up. I wonder if there's something inside. So freaking cute. Let's see how long I can keep this alive.